All right. This is the trade that I lost this week. We are doing a counter trend. We saw this bearish closure around this area. No, I mean in the weekly time frame. So what am I expecting on that is the weekly continuation, like having a week pullback to continue to go down, something like that. But yeah, so the daily time frame, daily doesn't give me a fully retest over high, lower low, fully retest on the triple tap or head and shoulder pattern around this. So yeah, pay the price for our when I saw this one right here. We have kind of rejection because the lower high, lower low. I'm waiting on the 1 hour time frame entry, but yeah, I guess I enter very early because I don't wait for the daily rejection of the candlestick. So yeah, um, enter on this 1 hour, 1 hour around 3 a.m. Stop loss around that area, and when I was like, I believe I put my stop loss around this to get break even, but yeah, still paid the price. So again, I know my mistake. I didn't wait for fully lower high of the daily. All I need to wait is the rejection because we are doing a counter trend for a weekly time frame. But yeah, pay the price once again. On this trade still valid. So all I need to wait is this rejection candle and then the 4 hour and then the 1 hour time frame is having a shift now. So kind of something like this to continue innovation. But yeah, this is NZD mistake, put break even around this area so that when the market topped me out, then I was wrong. But yeah, this is a beautiful setup to be honest. NZD JPY.